Hello everyone, welcome to Coder Insight. So today we'll see how we can reverse a string using Java. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe the channel, and if you feel you have gained any knowledge from this video, then do like this video as well. Okay, so let's move. Okay, so you can use any of your IDE. You should have your Java JDK installed in your system, and then you can proceed and you can write your program. You can write on your notepad as well, but I'm using IDE. This is Spring Tool Suite, which is similar to Eclipse. Okay, so first we'll create a class, and in this class I have created one main method, which is the heart of any Java program. Okay, so first I have created one variable, string variable, which is hello world. It can be anything. You can write hello world, I am Arun, I am Raghav, I am Ajay, anything. A string can be anything that you want to reverse. I have taken another variable as reverse string, which is which we are using, which will hold the reverse string. So basically we will store the reverse string in this variable, and we are also taking one variable, sorry, we are also taking one variable ch, which is a character type variable. So which we will use when we will iterate this for loop, and we will store every character from a string in this ch variable. Okay, so we have created these three variables. Now we'll create one for loop. What we will do inside this for loop is we will iterate from zero index of a string to its length. So this is str.length, a method inside a string class, which provide us the length of a string. So if in our example we take hello world, so this will be the first zero index, one index, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. Okay, so H is at zero index, E is at one index, L is at two index, and so on. Okay, so we'll iterate from zero index to its length. So the length of this string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 space 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so the length of the string is 11. So basically it will iterate from 0 to 11, sorry, less than 11. So we'll iterate 10 times. Okay, so we'll start from zero index, and we will call a string class method dot char at, which provide us the character at particular index which we are passing to it. Okay, so we are passing index I, which is currently 0. Right now it is 0. So it will provide us character at 0th index, and it will store it inside ch. So right now at 0 index the character is h. So it will store h inside the ch variable. Okay, now in the reverse string we will store this character that we have taken from the string plus the reverse string that we have created. So for right now we do not have anything in this reverse string, it is empty. So what we'll do is we'll make it h plus this is empty string, and we will store it inside ch. So ch will become h. So we have only h inside ch. Now again this for loop will increment by 1 I plus plus, then the value of I will become 1. Okay, now it will call this method char at 1 at one index. So at one index we have E. You can see here that at one index we have this character E. So it will store that E inside this character. Okay, now we have character E. Now in place of H we have E, and sorry, this is reverse string. Reverse string. Okay, so we have E plus reverse string. Now reverse string we have H that we have already stored earlier. So now it will add E plus H. E plus H. Okay, so what will it will become? E plus H is equals to, so reverse string will store E H now. Okay, now it will store EH. Now again it will iterate and increment one more. Now I value becomes 2. Now at 2 position it has L. Now character will store L. Okay, now it will become L, and what we have in reversing we have EH. Now it will add EH. Okay, character plus EH. So it will become LEH. Okay, and so on. It will continuously loop till the 10th index. It is less than I less than length. Length is 11, means it will iterate till 10 only, less than 11. So that is 10. Okay, so it will continue iterate, and it will increase like the H E L, then next index L, then O, then space, then W, then O, then R, then L, and then D. So it will be in the reverse order. So once this loops complete, this reverse string will contain the complete reverse string, and then we can print it simply. Okay, so let's run this program. So you can see here we have the reverse string here, HELLO world, hello world. Okay, hope you get it.